Do you know what is wine made of? I guess so. I heard they are made from grapes. Yes, you are quite right. They are made from naturally fermented grape juice. I saw on the wine labels words like Chardonnay, Sauvignon Blanc, Cabernet Sauvignon, Merlot, Shiraz and Pinot Noir. What are these? Now I see you do notice the grape varieties. These are types of grapes for different style of wines. Wow! I see. I am already feeling thirsty. I wish I could have a glass of wine. Sure, Andy, let us go for some wine later. I will tell more about the grape varieties and their characteristics. I hope to learn more from you, as you seem to know so much about wines. Let's go. What are you waiting for? I'm coming now.